If ever you break one of the wheels on your generator or one of your rolling accessories or small equipment and just perhaps can't get down to the local hardware store to pick up that wheel, or they don't have the matching size you're looking for, you can always whip one out of some wood and do it Flintstone style like I did here. Painted it black to give it that real rubber look, and on she goes. Well, what do you think? Should we test it? Looks like it's working to me. Sitting level, let's give her a roll. Oh yeah, that's solid. Before you know it, they'll be producing these things out of wood.